Dahshur is 45 minutes away from Cairo. Two of the oldest pyramids in Egypt were built here. The first pyramid you see is the bent pyramid made by Snefru. This pyramid still contains a smooth surface, and I even got a chance to touch it. The construction took place between 2613 and 2589 BC. This pyramid is called the bent pyramid because this was the first attempt to try to have a smooth surface on each side. Unfortunately, the king miscalculated. This pyramid was unsuccessful because the blocks placed on the pyramid caused the weight to not be properly in place. I actually got a chance to climb this pyramid and I was very excited to go to the very top. Now on to the second pyramid. This was constructed around the same time, and the king realized his mistakes and decided to create another pyramid. Now this pyramid is smooth-sided, and the reason why it's called the Red Pyramid is because the material that was used to build the pyramid was made out of red limestone. Just like the previous pyramid, erosion took place over thousands of years. Luckily, I was able to walk inside of this pyramid. I took several pictures inside the pyramid, and as you can see, there are several barrier chambers inside this pyramid. I'd like to give a special thanks to my tour guide, Kareem. If you're watching this, I thank you so much for touring me around the city. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I will see you in the next one. Wadaan!